Hello everyone, Kelly Motherwell Products. Today I'm here to show you the proper way to install a solo luggage rack for your Road King, Street Glide, so on. So anyways, here it goes. Come on over here and I'm going to show you how to do it. So you got these cutout knobs here. On your fender seat nuts, you're going to see some grooves. And in them grooves, you want to slide this right into it, real nice, like that. Should just click right in. And there should be a little bit of a spring on there, and that's to keep the tension on there. Now what you're going to do, put your fender seat or your thumb screw in there, screw it down. Gonna hold it on nice and tight. It's not going to go anywhere, solid. It's not going to rattle around because that little bit of a spring in there, it holds it in place. Taking it off, same thing. And then you'll notice it'll lift up like that, and you want that in there. A little bit of a spring. Not much, too much, you'll crack the chrome. But just a little bit to keep it so it's in place. There again, just slide it right in. Just click it down. At Motherwell Products, we stand behind our products. If you ever have a problem or an issue with one of our products, we're gonna support you any which way. Come back to us a year, 2 years from now. Say you bought it from us, we're gonna stand behind it. And also, when you call, you're gonna get an answer. We won't be playing them email games where you send an email and hopefully someone responds to you. Motherwell Products will answer your messages anytime in business hours.